Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about how to disassemble and reassemble and how to maintain your uh, cheaper piston filler fountain pen. What is so-called cheaper piston filler fountain pen? Like here I have three of these kind of pen, and I have written here. Another example is the Reform 1745. I used to have one, but I sold to one of my friends, so I don't have it uh, with me here. And now, as you can see, we have three fountain pens. Like this one, this first one is the Noodler's Nip Creeper. This is the Noodler's cheapest fountain pen. Because I love this kind of demonstrator pen, so I bought a clean one and totally see-through. And the same, I bought these two. This is Fountain Pen Revolution Indus. This one comes with a flex nib, and another pen here is also from the Fountain Pen Revolution. This is called the Guru. The same flex nib. For me, Guru is not very good. The Nib Creeper and Indus is acceptable. I can accept how they use. Okay, so let's go for how to disassemble this pen. I always remove the cap before I do any kind of disassembly. Okay, so how do you disassemble this piston part? You just turn your piston knob, turn, and now you see your piston is down to the bottom. And do not worry, keep turning, as my hand is very wet, so I use a sheet of rubber. This is from a bicycle in a tube. Okay, if you hear some crack sound, that doesn't mean anything have crushed in your pen. No, they're just because your turning knob comes out. But you may say, hey, I get my turning knob out, but my piston is still in the barrel. Do not worry about that. Just turn your piston in and pull it. Your piston is now with your knob coming out. Okay, so this structure is pretty simple. When you turn the knob clockwise, the piston will come into the knob. When you turn it another direction, the piston just come out. And I think you can see here is we have some thinner threads on the outside of the knob, and the inner side we have some thicker threads. So when you turn the knob, the piston, maybe I can show you now. Okay, when you turn the knob like this, you can see your piston goes this direction faster than your knob coming out from the barrel. So that helps when you use your when you turn in your piston knob in normal situation, the knob won't come out of the barrel. Okay, so now you have your piston out. If you want to grease your piston, take a bottle of silicone oil, just a little bit. You don't need very much. Oh, this is kind of too much for me. And use your tissue or Q-tip to spread it on your piston. Okay, now you can assemble your piston back. I like to put my piston rod into this piston knob totally, and now I just put it back and screw in my piston knob. Okay, when my piston knob is screwed totally in, then I turn my piston knob, and you can see my piston is moving up and down, up and down. This is much smoother than before. I disassemble it. So this is pretty easy. I think everyone can try this. Okay, as we talk about how to disassemble this pen, so I am showing you how to disassemble this nib. Oh, just pull it out, nib and feed. This is very easy because this section is totally round shape, so you can put your nib and feed in any direction. Even you can turn it like this. So when you take them apart and you want to reassemble that, you don't have to worry, oh, am I doing the right direction? No, you don't have to worry about this. So for this kind of cheap fountain pen, it is very convenient. And this is the end of this video. I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, please comment below. I hope I can find the answer of this question, or if you have a better way of doing this kind of job, please tell me. I will be thankful. Thank you very much. Goodbye.